Do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So here's the tea. I'm about to go to Target for this little hygiene run. About to go figure out some hygiene products I need. And my boyfriend left because I was taking too long. But my camera just charged and I told myself that I was gonna record this. So get ready with me right now to go to Target. I already did all my hair. So tune into my TikTok. I posted a video on how I did my hair. Period. So today, right now, I gotta fix up my eyebrows, fix up my makeup. I know I'm not ready because I didn't even put like lotion on my face. And that pimple patch is gonna stay right there because I know it's not done. I already washed my hands, so if you're not washing your hands before touching your face, you're crazy. Who am I to judge? My under eyes be getting so dry sometimes. Ooh. So yeah, like I said, my boyfriend was like, you're taking way too long. But to be fair, he didn't even tell me what time we were leaving. So I was just kind of just, you know, doing my thing. Like I made a TikTok video, whatever. Oh my God, I think he's here right now. Okay. See, you gotta let them dry. I definitely just heard the garage open, so I definitely think he's here. Everybody has imperfections and shit. And this is not me saying cover them up, but the thing about my pimples is my pimples get real red. Nobody's perfect though. Okay, so while I let that dry, I'm gonna just go ahead and do my lashes. I let it dry because it gets like tacky. But in all honesty, I can't even find my mascara. And I'm just blending. See, like, it just helps cover the redness a little bit. Girl, I don't even do too much for real. So I'm gonna do my lashes. Y'all, I've been like maybe 3 months now without lashes and they feel so different, like doing my natural lashes. This is some little baby sample I got from Ulta. It's just like different taking care of them. I think I'm gonna change my pimple patch out. My brows look pretty straight to me, except this one kind of looks skewed a little bit low. Brows. Where are my pimple patches? Whatever, y'all. I think he's still waiting on me. Okay. That doesn't look too bad. I'm still... Okay, yeah, this one is so much longer. Hell no. So I think I'm gonna just dip this part and then I'm gonna cut the rest. All right, pimple patch So that's a problem. Let me just... Ew. Yo, I got these pimple patches from the Dollar Tree and they actually work. Please disregard my sink area. Please. It looks a mess. Okay. Everything else that I needed, my purse downstairs. So let's go downstairs. Alright, y'all. So we just pulled up to Target. We're gonna get a couple things. We need some mouthwash. And I want to try this new toothpaste. And I think that's about it, to be honest. I feel like there was one more thing, but I can't remember. Alright, y'all, so we made it to Target. For real. Y'all, it's really nothing that I need here. I just need some mouthwash and some toothpaste. So I need to get out this aisle. Yo, I've seen so much about it, but I'm gonna start trying this. Y'all, I've seen so many people rave about this, but I don't know if I want to pay $32. I feel like it might be cheaper at Ulta. I did want to get... I heard this was really good. My maid uses the other stuff, but I'm gonna start trying this. I'm trying this. Let's go.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's...
Thank God. Yeah, so okay, we're gonna try this and see if it works, okay? So we're getting this renewal white. I've actually tried it before, but not this one. Advance. This one. Oh, thank gosh, y'all. I'm tired. I literally buy these at least twice a month. We've used this one. This one. This is the most recent one we had. I heard these are good, so I'm gonna get some of these. We had some in Jacksonville, but I think we left them, or we threw them out because we moved. All right, y'all. They should hold the camera while I show them, okay? Hold it up. Thumbnail.
Hello?
I kind of want to look down here, so... This one's so good. I love this one. Alright, let go.
Yeah, the big one. My dad's like,
This is the best.
he's like, alright, I'll call you back.
Right.
I'm like, I'm not saying that.
I'm trying this. I want to try this. Apple Pay gonna do it every time, y'all.
Remember to grab your receipt. Thanks. See you again soon.
Little hygiene moment haul. Little hygiene haul moment. Carolina Dunks. My little fanny pack, that's convenient, which I just got, like, but I've always wanted one and my auntie got me one, so. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little haul of what I got. So, these GRWM tongue cleaners, 32 disposable hygiene scrapers. And I've had a tongue scraper before, but I've never had a plastic one. And I've seen everybody use these, so I was like, I might as well get them for the video and try them. I also got this to try, this La Roche-Posay purifying foam cleanser, and this is actually like the brand that my dermatologist recommended me when I had acne like really bad a couple years ago. So I feel like it might be good. I've heard a lot of people say like it's good, and it says purifying on it, so I feel like it will help with my breakouts, which I have breakout prone skin. The next thing I got for me and my boyfriend is this Optic White advanced toothpaste. I was looking at my teeth and I was like, I want my teeth to be whiter, and I was like, I remember I was using this. I got like a big pack of it from Costco, like 12 of them or something for like $32, and it had my teeth looking white. Like, it really works. So I recommend if you guys want like a whitening toothpaste, because I know sometimes people like don't have whitening trays, or like the whitening strips can be too expensive. But I feel like if you replace your toothpaste with this, or like a more whitening like toothpaste, specifically this one, Colgate Optic White, like your teeth will be better. The next thing that I got is a bigger bottle of this mouthwash, and disregard my nail, it looks bad, but like everybody has used this, and like I use this and I love it. So if you're like scared to hop on the trend or something, just do it, because it's actually worth it. They gave us a little coupon for #1 fastest growing mouthwash brand in the USA, and yeah, so I really love it. The smell gets me every time. This is the very first thing that I have to get. This is the very first thing I have to pick up on every time I come here. $8, the Morphe in Java. Thank me later. I heard this brand was good. $28 for that little. No, not this one. Here we go. This is the one, y'all. Okay. I'm thinking about getting hyaluronic acid too. Like, these are literally all the same thing. So, sunscreen right here, y'all, that I've seen so many people rave about. So I'm like, should I get this one? Damn it, it's gone. This. Oh, look. They stealing. Oh no, somebody just opened it. Okay.
Love yours.